I'm in the studio today to have a look around the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. Now this isn't your average smartphone. It's foldable with a bigger cover screen on the front, but it's still nice and compact so that it fits in your pocket. And it completely changes the ways you can take selfies. On the previous model, the cover screen took up maybe a third of this section. Now you've got the new Flex window that's 278% larger, big enough to reply to messages, just like my message from my friend Steve with a QWERTY keyboard. You can also make calls, open your wallet and more, all without opening the phone. It makes it a lot easier to do things while you're on the move or you're busy with other stuff. Also, it's completely customizable, which means you can add your favorite widgets, video wallpapers, clock faces, and designs so you can make it work just for you. Another thing that you'll really notice is the overall design. Now, the whole point of it is that you have a large smartphone that flips down into something more pocketable and it fits right into your pocket really nicely. Now, it's actually slimmer than the previous model, and part of that comes from the fact that there's no longer a gap where it folds. And the folding also adds a new dimension to how you take your selfies. You can use the Flex Cam to find your best angle, whether you're using the front or back camera. So what is Flex Cam and how do you use it? So if you double tap on the side button here, it will bring up the back camera. And then I'm gonna put it in the Flex Cam mode and pop it down on the table like that. And then I can take my hands-free selfie. And there you have it, a great selfie with a fantastic angle. Our experts love this phone and have rated it the most innovative new phone of the year. If you would like to find out more info about the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5, you can visit us in store, head online, or you can even chat to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.